According to a survey conducted by Ernst & Young, 61% of supply chain organizations plan to invest in retaining and reskilling their workforce with a focus on technical skills and health and safety in the coming year.
That's why today we are talking about the importance of training for supply chain employees and what topics you should consider.
Hi, and welcome to the Training and Development Channel. I'm Nick Day.
And I'm Steve Smoley. At Roundtable Learning, we work with our clients to ensure their employees are equipped with the skills needed to work confidently and safely in their roles.
So let's dive in on why supply chain training is important for your organization.
We are in unprecedented times when it comes to the state of global supply chain. Organizations are trying to keep up with demand. This means creating efficient processes and employing a skilled workforce. Supply chain training is critical to the success of an organization for several reasons, including equipping employees with the skills to create more efficient processes, creating functional workflows to ensure products arrive on time, and maintaining safety among employees.
Safety training teaches your employees the best practices to keep themselves and others safe while on the job. Safety training can address basic hazard recognition, slips, trips, and falls, see something, say something, and lockout, tagout.
Compliance training creates a workforce that understands the expectations they need to follow regarding their organization's policies, laws, and industry regulations. When employees complete compliance training, they reduce violations and are knowledgeable of industry regulations, creating a safer work environment for everyone. Compliance training can address health and safety, environmental protection, global customs, and internal organizational policies.
Technical training addresses the hard skills your employees need to know to perform their tasks accurately on a day-to-day basis. When employees are equipment and process experts at your organization, not only can they complete their tasks more efficiently, but they will be more willing to solve problems that you may not even know exist. Technical training can address pallet stacking, equipment maintenance, industrial vehicle operation, truck loading, and unloading.
Leadership training equips learners with the soft skills needed to manage their teams. Leadership training can take a variety of forms, including conflict resolution, coaching, feedback, difficult conversations, and communication.
This is a great start for organizations building a supply chain training program. Our team is just an email away to help you get started.
If you have any questions, reach out to us at any time. Then make sure to like this video and subscribe for all things training and development.